Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Belle Bernards. For today's video, I am going to tutorial about how to appeal your live stream. So ayan guys, meron akong live stream na shutdown ni Lolo. Ayan yung pang 151st ko na LS. So ayan guys, kahit i-open mo yan siya guys, walang ano yan, hindi siya kasi rejected siya. So ngayon, paano natin yan ma-recover ulit yung ating live stream guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano. So iwanan muna natin yan guys, dyan. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano yan ma-recover or mag-appeal dyan, okay? Stop muna natin dyan. So ayan guys, pupunta tayo sa ating Gmail account and then ilagin nyo po ang inyong account doon guys. So hindi po siya makikita dito sa inbox nyo. Dito po siya guys, i-click nyo po yung tatlong guhit na yan. Then makikita nyo po dito sa important, yan. Diyan nyo po makikita, so dyan kayo mag-upload guys. So ayan, yung ating important messages guys, namumula po siya, yan. Titignan natin guys, meron ditong email si Lolo, yan. Ayan, your video has been removed from YouTube. Ayan, ni-remove ni Lolo kasi feeling niya merong was flagged to us for review. Upon review, we've determined that it violates our guidelines and we've removed it from YouTube. How you can respond? So, if you believe that this was a mistake, we'd like to hear from you. To appeal this removal, please submit this form. Our team will thoroughly review it lang guys. So, ayan guys. I-click natin yung ano kanina. Submit an appeal guys. So ito, maglalagay tayo dito guys ng ano. Why should your content be reinstated required? Kasi nakalagay dyan guys, before you appeal, please review your content to ensure that it abides by our community guidelines. In particular, the section shown below provides supporting details in the back. So, ilalagay lang natin dito guys. Ayan lang. Parang, ito lang guys, simple lang to. Their YouTube team. Or ganyan lang. Ay, ganyan lang. Saan na ba to? I didn't violate any rules. I didn't violate any rules from my live stream. Bahala na kayo kung ano gusto nyo sabihin. Ito lang yung gusto kong sabihin. Please review my live stream. So, ayan lang guys. Then, okay na. So, okay na guys, no? Nakalagay dito guys. Ayan. I-click nyo po yung submit guys. Yan. Just click submit. Then, i-review na nila yun guys. So, wait na lang natin yung kanilang response. Okay, salamat. Ayan guys, check natin ulit yung ating Gmail kung andyan na yung decision. So, ito na guys, andito na sa email ko yung decision ni YT about doon sa aking na shutdown nila. So, ito na yun guys, sabi niya, ayan, thank you for submitting your video appeal to YouTube. After further review, so ayan guys, balik ulit tayo sa ating mga videos guys. So ayan na guys, bumalik na yung, so meron na siyang ano guys, ayan may ads na rin siya. So Yahoo, so sayang din guys kasi meron ding views, 44 views din siya, and then may pumasok na dollars din. So ayan, so yun lang ang ating ano guys, na thankful tayo at na-recover na yung ating ano guys, yung ating live stream na shutdown ni Lolo. Kasi feeling niya nag-violate tayo. So, sa mga monetized channel dyan at merong super chat doon sa inyong live stream, kailangan nyo pong i-appeal yun kasi kung ano yung laman ng live stream nyo, kasama lahat doon po yun. So, kailangan nyo i-recover yun. So, thankful tayo at na-recover natin yung ating live stream. So, this is my second time guys na shutdown ako ni Lolo. Kasi may narinig siyang CPR. Parang ganon sa background ko. Then, shutdown niya ako agad. So, ayan. May ads po ang ating ano guys. May ads po ang ating live stream na shutdown. So, importante po guys na mabawi natin ang ating live stream or mag-appeal tayo para ma-recover yung ating live stream kasi sayang din po yung views. Paano kung 1K views yun, di ba? So sayang naman kung pabayaan lang natin. So, yun lamang guys. And thank you sa inyong panunood. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa aking maikling tutorial kung papaano mag-appeal ng na-shutdown na live stream. So, or how to make an appeal. Yan. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Belle Bernaz. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ayan po ang aking channel, Belle Bernaz po. And huwag niyo pong kalimutan, ikalembang yung aking tiny bell para ma-update kayo sa lahat ng aking i-upload guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye po!